You know how to be a passenger, right? Okay. For the most part, great.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
Yeah, you probably want to stay up closer to me because my rear seat's not that big.
Do I hold on right here?
It's okay. I'm not doing nothing crazy. So don't worry. I'm recording, right? Okay. So we have a mirror here, and she's been wanting to do a 2-up wheelie for the longest, pretty much all week. So now we're gonna go give her a little dose of what wheelies feel like.
Yeah, I'm very nervous. Cam's done this before, but I am just very nervous.
You're good. I mean, do you use the tank for your hands? Did you know that like you could put one hand on the tank? Okay. All right, up this hill. You ready? That was just a baby one. That was just you're addicted. That was just a baby one too. Just a piquito. That was a baby one. Oh no, that was nothing. That was nothing. You have no clue what you're in store for. If we took it to the highway, I'd cut up with you. Should we go highway? I'm kind of for the highway. Let's get hype. Are you good? Alright, you're good. Just screaming in my ear the entire time. All right, so how'd you feel? How was that?
It was incredible. the part where you just landed, it's just like, I'm not breathing until that moment.
That when we get up to balance point, it sways. Both of our weights clashing basically because we're not in the same, just physics. Rate that adrenaline rush.
I've always had more adrenaline with being a passenger, but it's like fear mixed with adrenaline. Like, this is my first time being a passenger since getting my leader bike.
Oh shit, is it good to say that this is the best lunch break you've ever taken? Yeah. Let's go. Come on, you gotta keep a hand around me. Stop hitting your vape then. You wanna have some fun? Keep going. I think our exit's coming up. you. I'm from a city. We're very aggressive over there. You have to be. It saves your life. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and make sure you're subscribed for more of the crazy, dumb shit that we get into. As always, if you're not hype, get hype and stay hype.